Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Jeep's latest game changer, the 2025 Jeep Wagoneer S. This all-electric SUV is Jeep's bold move into the EV world, combining luxury, performance, and legendary off-road capability in one powerful package. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and, of course, pricing. The 2025 Wagoneer S takes Jeep's iconic styling and brings it into the future. This SUV features a sleek aerodynamic design, a signature illuminated front grille, and a floating roof design that screams luxury and performance. It's built for adventure but also commands attention on the road. 20-inch and 22-inch wheel options for a bold stance. Full LED lighting for a futuristic and premium feel. Panoramic sunroof for an open and airy cabin experience. Inside, the Wagoneer S is packed with high-end materials and cutting-edge technology. Jeep has gone all out with a fully digital cockpit. 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Jeep's latest Uconnect 5. Fully digital 12.3-inch driver display for an advanced driving experience. Premium leather seating with rail wood and aluminum trims. 360-degree camera and hands-free driving assist. The 2025 Jeep Wagoneer S is an all-electric powerhouse with impressive specs. Jeep aims to deliver over 600 horsepower with this electric SUV. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. All-wheel drive AWD system for extreme capability. Estimated range of 400 miles per charge. Fast charging, 80% charge in under 30 minutes. This isn't just a family SUV, it's a performance beast with Jeep DNA. Even though it's electric, Jeep made sure the Wagoneer S keeps its off-road toughness. Quadra-Drive 4x4 system for all-terrain dominance. Adjustable air suspension for ground clearance control. Trail-rated capability, perfect for adventure seekers. This EV is built to handle the wild just like any other Jeep. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Jeep Wagoneer S is expected to start at around $80,000 for the base trim, while fully loaded versions may go up to $100,000 plus depending on features and packages. Base model, $80,000. Premium trim, $90,000. Fully loaded, $100,000 plus. Considering the performance, range, and tech, this is a serious competitor in the luxury EV SUV market. So, what do you think of the 2025 Jeep Wagoneer S? Is this the electric SUV you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest car releases. See you in the next video.